Is your video stuck with a watermark like this? Want to turn it into something like this instead? You can easily remove it right from your smartphone using this free tool. So let's head on over to Canva. This is one of my videos, but you can use images too. As you can see, it's got a little watermark in the corner. So we're gonna get rid of that. So what you're going to do is click camera and you're going to upload the original post. And then you're going to fit it on the canvas the exact same way as the video. Then you're going to take this little tab in the corner and you're going to bring it all the way over right until the end. And then as you can see, it's covering the watermark perfectly. And that's it. Now let's play it to see what it sounds and looks like. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can get all the new videos first. I'm amazed. That turned out so good. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.